Hello, friends. Welcome to another very easy English story for beginners. Today's story is called The Brave Little Turtle. Are you ready? Let's start. Tina is a little turtle. She has a green shell and small legs. Tina is very slow. She feels scared. She stays near the river every day. One day Tina sees a baby duck. The baby duck is in the water. The water moves fast. "Oh, help," cries the baby duck. "I am scared." Tina looks at the water. Her legs shake. She feels very afraid. But she says, "I can help you." Tina walks slow into the water. She pushes the baby duck with her nose. She brings the baby duck to the land. The baby duck smiles. "Thank you, Tina." The mother duck comes. She smiles too. "You are very brave," she says. Tina feels strong in her heart. She is not scared now. She is happy. From that day Tina plays with the ducks. She has many friends. The moral is, being brave helps others and makes you happy. Now let's learn some words. Slow means not fast. Scared means very afraid. Help means do something good for someone. Brave means not afraid. Happy means feels good. Friend means someone you play with. Great job listening, friends. You can repeat the story with me if you want. Thank you for watching. See you in the next easy English story. Bye bye.